So let's divide. Kopyahin muna natin ito. A squared minus B squared over A plus B. And then yung divide magiging multiply. At kunin natin yung reciprocal ng A minus B over 5. Yan ay magiging 5 over A minus B. So ayan, from division, naging multiplication tayo. And tingnan natin yung mga expressions. So hanapin natin kung saan dito yung factorable. So yung 5, hindi na yan pwedeng i-factor. A minus B, hindi na rin. A plus B, hindi na rin. So yung A squared minus B squared lang ang ating ipafactor. So factorable ito by the difference of two squares. So yun, kailangan alam na natin kung paano i-factor yan. So yan ang factor nito ay, so dahil difference of two squares yan, the square root of A squared is equal to A, and the square root of B squared is equal to B. And sundin lang natin yung pattern ng pag-factor ng the difference of two squares minus, so A plus B. So ang factor ng A squared minus B squared is equal to A minus B times A plus B. Over, so copy natin yon, A plus B times 5 over A minus B. Ayan. So, pwede na tayo mag-cancel ng mga common terms. So, A plus B, cancel. Yan. A plus B, yon. And then, A minus B, A minus B. So, yung natira ay 5 sa numerator. Sa denominator ay 1. So, therefore, ang final answer natin dito is 5. Okay, ganun lang.